everyone. Welcome back to our English learning time.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Sophia, and this is Lucas. How are you today?
We hope you're doing great. Today, we have a really useful topic for you.
Yes, today we're learning about directions. Do you know what directions are?
Directions help you find places. When you're lost, you ask for directions.
Exactly. Maybe you want to find a coffee shop, or maybe you need to find the train station.
So you ask someone, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
Perfect, Lucas. Today, you'll learn how to ask for directions and how to give directions.
These phrases are super useful in real life. You can use them every day.
Before we start, think about this question. When was the last time you asked for directions?
Write your answer in the comments. We love hearing your stories.
Okay, let's start with our first scenario.
Imagine this. Sophia is walking in a new city. She's looking for a post office.
I'm looking at my phone, but I'm confused. I need help.
So Sophia sees a friendly person on the street.
Excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, please. Where is the post office?
The post office? Sure. Go straight down this street.
Go straight? Okay. And then?
Then turn right at the traffic light.
Turn right at the traffic light. Got it.
Yes, the post office is on your left.
On my left. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Great. Let's look at those key phrases again.
First, to ask for directions, you can say, "Excuse me, where is?"
Excuse me, where is the post office?
"Excuse me, where is the bank?"
Simple, right? Now, let's look at giving directions.
Go straight means continue in the same direction, no turns.
Turn right means go to the right side. Turn left means go to the left side.
And we often use landmarks. A landmark is a place that helps you find your way.
Like traffic light or bank or coffee shop. These are landmarks.
So you might say, "Turn right at the bank." This helps people find the place.
Now, think about your city. What landmarks are near your home?
Share in the comments. We want to know.
Okay, let's try another scenario. I'm at a shopping mall.
Sophia is looking for the restroom. The restroom is the bathroom.
I see an information desk. The information desk helps visitors.
Smart choice, Sophia. Let's watch.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the restroom.
The restroom, of course. Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead. Okay,
Walk past the bookstore on your right.
past the bookstore. Okay, I understand.
Then you'll see the restroom next to the elevator.
Next to the elevator. Perfect. Thank you.
No problem. It's very close.
Nice. Let's review those new phrases.
"I'm looking for" is another way to ask for directions.
I'm looking for the restroom. I'm looking for the restaurant.
It's very natural and polite. You can use this phrase everywhere.
We also learned go straight ahead. This is the same as go straight.
Then we heard walk past. This means continue walking and something is on your side.
Walk past the bookstore means the bookstore is there, but you don't stop. You keep walking.
And next to means beside something.
Very close. The restroom is next to the elevator.
They are beside each other.
These phrases are so helpful. Try to remember them.
Have you ever been lost in a shopping mall? Tell us in the comments.
Sometimes directions are a bit more complicated. That's okay.
Yes, let's practice a longer set of directions.
I'm at a bus stop. I'm asking someone about the library.
I'm waiting for the bus too. I can help.
Excuse me, do you know where the library is?
Yes, I do. It's about 10 minutes from here.
10 minutes. Okay. How do I get there?
First, go straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks. Okay.
Then, turn left at the corner. You'll see a big supermarket.
Turn left at the corner. There's a supermarket.
Right. Walk past the supermarket.
Walk past the supermarket.
Then, turn right. The library is on your right. It's a red building.
A red building on my right. That's very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. The library is really nice. Enjoy.
Wow, those were more detailed directions.
Yes, sometimes people give you step-by-step directions like this.
Let's look at some new vocabulary. Block means the distance between 2 streets.
Go straight for 2 blocks means pass 2 streets, then stop.
We also heard corner. A corner is where 2 streets meet.
Turn left at the corner is very common. You'll hear this often.
Another useful phrase, how do I get there?
This asks for directions. It's polite and clear.
How do I get there? How do I get to the station?
You can also describe buildings. It's a red building, or it's a tall building.
These details help people find places more easily. Great job following along. You're doing amazing.
For our last scenario, let's use a map.
Yes, sometimes showing a map helps a lot.
Let's say Sophia is visiting a new neighborhood. She's asking me for directions to the park.
Hi, can you help me? I want to go to Central Park.
Sure. Do you have a map on your phone?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Okay, look, we are here right now.
Okay, we're here.
The park is here. See?
Oh, yes, I see it now.
Go straight on this street, then turn left here.
At this street.
Yes, exactly. Then walk straight. The park is at the end of the street.
At the end of the street. Got it. That's really easy.
Yes, it's very close. Maybe 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the park.
Wow, using a map makes directions much easier.
Absolutely. You can point and show the person.
We learned at the end of the street. This means the street finishes there.
The park is at the end of the street. It's the last place on that street.
We also said, we are here right now. This shows your current location.
When you use a map, you can point and say here or there.
Maps are so helpful. Do you use maps on your phone? Tell us in the comments.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, let's review our key phrases one more time.
To ask for directions, excuse me, where is, or I'm looking for.
You can also ask, how do I get there?
To give directions, go straight, turn right, turn left.
And helpful phrases, walk past, next to, at the corner, at the end of the street.
Remember, it's okay to ask people to repeat.
You can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Or, can you say that again?
Everyone is happy to help when you're polite and friendly.
Now it's your turn to practice. This week, try to give directions to someone.
Or ask for directions, even if you know the way. It's great practice.
Tell us in the comments, What place do you want to find in English?
We love reading your comments and stories.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Watch the next episode to keep building your English fluency. And don't forget to subscribe.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Good luck with your English.